Hello, good morning, and Assalamu alaikum to all of my grade 2 students. I'm your teacher, Sana Fazar, over here again with the new lecture for all of you. So, first of all, tell me that how are you all? That I hope that you all are fine and you are now more regular of attending your online classes. So, look at this first slide of the day. This is my lecture number 13, mashallah, with all of you. And the topic name is the same one, that is multiplication. Yes. So now let's have a look on our next slide. Yes, today my heading for you all is not tigers. Today I would like to call you all champions. Yes, so hello champions, how are you all? Are you independent? Are you confident? And are you helpful? This is the magic of the champions, that all the champions are independent, confident, and helpful. This is what I want from all of you. So I hope that my champions are also very much confident and independent. And now you all are attending your classes by yourself without any help, especially maths. Maths is the only subject in which we have only little work to write. It's basically only about the understanding. So don't get bored, don't try to forward the lecture and just trying to copy the number. No, no, no. Writing on the maths workbook is just like a matter of 5 minutes. But understanding is the main problem, main stuff you can say that. Not the problem, it's a main thing that you need to understand. So are you champions? Okay, I hope that you, my students, have an answer of yes, and all my students are champions. So let's have a look on today's lecture. Okay, I just want to ask one thing, that the task of a two times table is done or not. This is my question of the day to all of you, that whether you have learned the two times table or not, because if you didn't learn it yet, then today you guys have a double task to do, that is a two times table and the five times table to learn. And the students who have learned it already, then you are a champions. Okay, this is a quote of the day, that champions, there's a bit spelling mistake over here. Champions never delay their work. Okay, so let me get my pen and just did the correction of it. This is CH and then A. This is A. So champions never delay their work, and this trophy is for all of my champions. I hope that my students are very much confident and happy now. Okay, yes, task of the day. Today I just compile up the task of the day. This is, you can say that, the main content of today's lecture, that what we are going to do. This is about multiplication of table of 5. Yes, I told you that today's task is just like the previous one. It's about the tables one, and 5 times table is the table which is also very easy. So I hope that my students can easily learn 5 times tables. And today we will do the writing work on the workbook page number 71 till 74. And yes, I mentioned one page for the self-assessment for my students. Okay, yes. This boy is just like my all of the students who are at their home and they are attending their lecture at their home. So stay home, stay safe. And yes, this is me who's assigning the task for all of you. So these two pictures were very, you can say that, interesting, and I just pasted for all of you because it reminds me, because I'm also trying to give all the work to you through the laptop and through the, you can say that, computers, and you guys are also, we are connected through the computer actually. So let's have a look on next slide, that is, yes, this is a revision of the two times table, and I prefer to just find out a very nice video for all. Feel the rhythm on the bass, man. Learn your two times tables today. Sing the titles to be all the way. Yeah, man. Come on, Evie, multiply. Knowledge is the key.
Check it out. 1, 2 is 2, 2 to the 4. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10, 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16. 9 2s are 18, 10 2s are 20. 11 2s are 22, 12 2s are 24.
Okay, this is about the revision of the two times table. And let's have a look today's task. Okay, it's a time to learn the 5 times table, and I would like you all to take out your workbook page number 71. This workbook page is about writing the 5 times table, that how you can write it down over here by looking at the picture. But I would like to explain it without the picture, but the answers will be same. Okay, 1 5s are 5 or 5 1s are 5. In both the cases, the answer will be same. Yes, this is a multiplication fact that if we change the places of these two numbers with each other, whether it's 1 5s are or you can say that 5 1s are, the answer will be same. So this is a multiplication fact. 2 5s are 10 and 5 2s are 10. Yes, the answer will be same. So start writing it with me on your workbook page number 71. You are supposed to just write down the answers in the given boxes. So start writing it with me. 3 5s are 15 or 5 3s are 15. Yes, this is also very easy. 4 5s are 20 and 5 4s are 20. Same answers. You can see that on the both sides only the places of these two digits are changed, but the answer will be same. 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. Yes, the sound is even same in this row because both the digits are same. 5 5s are 6 5s are 30 and 5 6 are 30. Yes. Okay, now let's move on. 7 5s are 35 or 5 7s are 35. Yes, the answer will be same in both the cases. 8 5s are 40 and 5 8s are 40. Yes, the answer will be same. 5 9s are 45 and 9 5s are 45 and 5 9s are 45. In both the cases, the answer will be same. So start filling it with me. 10 5s are 50 or 5 10s are 50. Yes. Okay, now I would like to mention a very interesting thing for all of you, that my students, in the 5 times table, you just need to keep one thing in your mind, that it is also a one of the easiest table, like table of 2 or table of 10. This is a very easy table, and at the end of every digit, 0 or 5, 0 or 5, you see that the number ends on 0 5 0 5 0 5 0 5. So there is a no complex digit or different or difficult kind of a digits in this table. All the digits are very easy. So start reading it with me. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, and 5 10s are 50. Yes, I hope that you guys understand it. And this is a very easy table, my kids. Once you repeat it 2 and 3 times, then you can easily learn it, and even try to learn it in a dodging form. Like you can ask your brother or sister, or you can ask your mom that she just ask you a table in a dodging form, like what is the answer of 5 4s are. So you just revise the table in your mind, and then you can tell the answer that 5 4s are 20. I will also try to plan a dodging activity for all of you in my next lecture. Okay, was the complete the multiplication table. So this is the way we complete the multiplication table. So let's have a look on the next slide. Yes, in focus. In focus is something that is only about explanation. So just put your workbook on a side and listen this explanation. This is very interesting even. And this is a basic idea of for multiplication. So the question is, look at the question on the screen. What is the total number of fish balls? Okay, there are fish balls in this stick and there are five balls in each stick. How do I know that? I count it. Let's count the fish balls of each stick. One, two, three, four, five. Yes, my answer is correct because I already watched this picture. So I know that there are five fish balls in each stick. So what is the total number of fish balls? So kids, what you are thinking? Are you going to add 5 plus 5 plus 5? No, we are going to just multiply it and we can quickly get the answer. Okay, if you keep the one stick, you will say one group of 5. So 5 1 fives are 5 or 5 ones are 5. Both in both the cases the answer will be same. Then you jump on the second stack and now we have a 2 6. So you are counting two groups of 5. So two fives are 10. Yes. And now we are going to take a jump on the third one that three groups of 5 and three fives are 15. So once you will get the practice of and once you will start doing the practice of this topic, you will not take this jumps one by one. You will just quickly look at the balls, you will count it, and then you will count the groups that there are three groups, and you will quickly write the answer that three fives are or five threes are 15. Yes, there are 15 fish balls altogether. See? In this way, we can be able to put the stars and make a sequence. Like put the star means you are just taking a small steps and then at the end you will be able to get all the stars. Okay, now this is a very interesting page of your workbook. Workbook page number 72. So now open your workbook again. That is a page number 72 and this is a part A. It was cut because of the cropping. So they just give us a quick and simple way of writing these numbers and they just give us a two boxes and two hands are mentioned over here and the question is multiply by counting in 5. This is a question that is written on the top. So they mention it that there you are going to multiply by counting the 5. So let's count the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody knows that we have 5 fingers in each hand. So without wasting the time, 5 and how many groups of 5? 1 and this is 2. We got two hands. So 5 twos are, what will be the answer? Do you know? Yes, 5 twos are 10. Part A is done. You are going to use 5 times table for this page and this question helps you a lot to solve the page quickly. Okay, this is part B. As you can see that there are still groups are cans are mentioned in a group like you can see that. Let's count the items of each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 cans in each group. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3. This is group number 3 and this is group number 4. So which number we are going to multiply with 4 5? That is 4. Okay, 5 fours are 20. Okay, after learning the table, this work will be a piece of cake for all of you. Let's have a look on part C. This is the part C of the workbook page number 72 and you can see that in this picture there are 5 you can say that sticks or so how many sticks of you can say that lollipops are there. Let's count it. 1 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 items in each plate. And how many plates are there? 1, 2, 3. So what we are going to do, we are going to multiply and we can quickly get the answer. 5 threes are 15. Yes, just write it down. See how much easy it is? Just you count the item of each group and then you will multiply it with the number of groups, that how many groups are given, and you quickly got the answer. Okay, now this is a workbook page number 72. This is a bit different kind of a question from the previous ones that you did with me. But we already learned that how to make a groups in a 2 times table too. So this is not a new concept. But in this concept, you are just going to do one thing. What is that? Okay, look at that. Write 2 multiplication. Question is write 2 multiplication facts for each picture. Okay, for each picture you are going to write down 2 multiplication facts. But what is our first task? Our first task is to divide it into a group. So I explained you even previously that it's totally up to you that how you want to make a charts. I would like to make it in this style because it is simply simple to make them into a group like this. So I make a 2 groups, and how many stars are there in each group? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, we got the 5 stars. Okay. And how many groups I got? 2. Yes. Now for the multiplication fact, I explain you that we can swap the places of these 2 numbers. So now for the second step, I first mention 2 and then I on the second place I mention 5. Okay, I swap the places of these 2 numbers. But just tell me, our answer will be changed? No, the answer will be same. 5 twos are 10. Okay, we quickly count the stars with the help of a multiplication. The answer will be same. 5 twos are 10 or 2 fives are 10. In both the cases, the answer will be same. Okay, for the next uh, part B, what we need to do first, we will make a groups. Okay, just make a groups. Group number 1, group number 2, just make a groups. This is very important and it's very helpful because you will quickly get the answer that how many groups are there. Okay, there are 3 groups, so I'm going to mention my number 3 over here. And how many stars are there in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, there are 5 stars in each group. Okay, for the second line, I need to do something? No, I will simply swap the places of these 2 digits. 5 will come at the first place and 3 will go at the second place. And now the answer will be same. 3 fives are 15 or 5 threes are 15. Our answer will be same. Whether you know the 5 times table or whether you learn 3 times table, the answer will be same. This is a very interesting thing. Okay, let's do the last part of this page. It is also there are a lot of stars over here. So what we are going to do, I'm just going to mention my groups, just writing their group number over here. 1 group, second group, third group, 4 group, 5 group, and 6 groups. Yes, there are 6 groups over here. Or what you are going to do, you are going to just draw these proper grouping over here. Okay, I'm not doing it and you should do it on your workbook because I'm writing with the help of a mouse and it's get very, you can say that, untidy. So we'll start making a groups and let's count how many items are there in each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. There are 5 stars in each group again. And how many groups are there? 6. So I am going to mention the second number over here. I know now you know that what you're going to do next. Yes, we will mention 6 at the first place, 5 at the second place, but the answer will be same. 5 6 are 30. Okay, 5 times table is very easy, and I hope that you can learn it even today after the class. Okay, yay! Only one page is left, and then today's task will be done. So you guys will be happy just like a boy because only one star is left, and then today's work will be finished. Okay, so now open your workbook page number 74. Yes, and don't forget to mention your date and day. I hope that you guys are following a proper instructions. So let's read a question. Write multiplication fact. This is again about the facts, and you can see that again two boxes are given along with the answer boxes. So this is something that is similar, bit similar just like the previous one. But this page is bit easy. Why? Why I'm saying that this page is bit easy than this, just tell you. Yes, this page. This page was bit, you can say that tricky in a sense because you need to make a groups by yourself. You are making a groups by yourself. But in this page, the groups are already mentioned over here. So this thing is something that really make our task very easy. Let's count these dots on the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 dots or balls on the tree. And how many trees are there? These trees represent group. You can say that this is group number 2, 1. This is group number 2. This is group number 3. This is group number 4. And this is group number 5. Yes. So how many groups we have? 5. 5 fives are. Yes. Okay. Now both the numbers are same, so you can write them as it is. 5 fives are. If you change the places when we then again we will not able to notice. So 5 fives are and 5 fives are. The answer will be same. The answer is 25. Okay, start writing it with me in a very good handwriting, just like me. And my writing is even getting bit improved. You can see that. Okay, now there are in the picture number B, you can see that there are, you can say that how many eggs or you can say that balls are there in each picture. So you can count it clearly. It's a little bit dim. So count the balls or the eggs from your picture of the workbook and then you can tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, yes, there are 5 balls in each plate or eggs. You can say that eggs are in each plate. And how many plates are there? There are, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, there are 9 total bowls over here and there are 5 eggs in each plate. So what will be the answer? 5 nines are 45. Yes. And for the next step, you guys know that what to do. Yes, swap the places of these two numbers and the answer will be same. 5 nines are 45. Only 2 parts are left of this page. Okay, again hands are there and we know that there are 5 fingers are in each in each hand. So I'm just going to mention 5 over here directly. I'm not even counting it because I know that there are 5 fingers on each hand. One is thumb and 2, 4 fingers. Let's count how many hands are there. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, there are 10 hands over here. Okay, now let's swap the places of these two numbers. 10 at the first place, 5 at the second place. 5 tens are 50. This is the most easiest answer. I hope that most of my students know that. 5 tens are 50. Okay, now we have again reached on a question which was a bit similar like we do in the previous slides, like a stars one. So we need to make the groups by ourselves. So let's start making the groups. This is group number one. Make a group with me. This is group number two. This is group number three. This is group number four. Make a groups. This is group number five. This is group number six. This is group number seven. And this is group number eight. Okay, there are eight groups. I am going to mention eight over here. Let's count the item of the each group. One, two, three, four, five. Yes, five. And I hope that most of my students have done this part even before me because they know that how to do it. 8 fives are or 5 eights are? The answer will be same. 5 eights are 40. Yes. Okay. The last part of the today's work is even done. And yes, this is a self-assessment page for all of you. Self-assessment is something that you are going to do by yourself with the help of your brain. Okay, revise the two times table and then solve the page by yourself. This is my instructions to all of my students that what you're going to do, you need to go back to the few pages, go to the page number 70. This page is about, let's have a look. Write down the answers for the multiplication fact. This is a multiplication fact, but this page is very easy because this is about two times table. One twos are two, two twos are four. You know the table, you can quickly solve it. So this is very easy. Part A is color the answers in the numbers chart below. They are saying that you are going to color all the answers which are mentioned over here. For example, you will say that one twos are and two ones are two. I'm just solving one example for all of you. Two twos are four. Okay, so this is my answer. So what you're going to do, you will color the number 2, then you will color the number 4, and in the same way, you will color all the numbers which will come in these boxes. Got it? And then the last they say, write down one thing you noticed about the colors numbers. So this is something you will write down that you will say that this is a two times table. This is should be your answer. You will mention over here. This is the color numbers are even numbers. You can say that, and you can say that this is the pattern of the two times table. These all numbers are the answers of the two times table. So this is something that you are going to write over here, and you can simply write down two times table answers. You can also write it down in a simplest form. Okay, last task of the day, that the weekend task on the weekend or even during the weekend weekdays, whenever you get the time, you are going to revise uh, 2 and 5 times tables in a dodging form, and you can even do the writing practice. You can say that to your mom that he give you a to mix the 2 and 5 times tables and then you find out the answer. This is something that is very important for all of you to learn the table in a dodging form, and after learning this table, the next lecture work will be also so much easy for you. So that's all for the day. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.